Aw, isn't he the cutest thing? Yeah, super cute, but, you think you can, oh, I don't know, let us out?
That is such a cute animal! Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh! I've never seen that in my life! Oh my gosh, Perico, where did you get that? Also, how'd you get that projector?
With my magic.
Oh my gosh, that is so awesome! You really have to teach me to do that, you know? I mean, even though I'm an Earth pony with no magic at all, but still, that's really cool. I'm a photo making pony, by the way. So you and I are basically alike. We can be like sisters. And yeah, Saviors of Equestria too.
Yeah, Pericle, can you please just go back to the puppy thing? Because you're kind of losing your crowd here. Ah, yeah, right, okay. Aww, isn't he adorable? Don't you just want to name him and just hug his cute little face and let him kiss you? If cute little doggies and humans can get married, I would definitely pick you. You are so adorable. I don't even care if I'm too young to love. I don't know what that one's doing, but nice outfit. Hi there, little Poochie Woochie. What are you doing? You wanna play? Come here. Come here, little one. Come on. Come here. So cute. This one looks like a white candy.
What? How can that be a white candy? I mean, it's a dog, not a candy.
No, you see, I used to have a dog named Candy, and she was a Pomeranian, and
oh my gosh! Are you confused? I think you might be confused. I think you hit your head too hard. Or maybe like the snake just got his tail and just smacked you in the head too hard. And also, I think you might have a concussion or maybe amnesia. But that's really sad. Really, really, really sad. But maybe I can actually help you because I am Pinkie Pie. And Pinkie Pie can do anything. Anything. You know what they say, anything for fun.
that's it. I can't stand you. I have to really show someone what mine looks like.
Do you have a dog too? Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see it. Oh my gosh, please, 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 show me, show me, show me! Show everyone in the universe what your dog looks like. Oh my gosh, I bet it's gonna look so adorable. You're just gonna want to squeeze its face and get married with it. Even though humans and dogs aren't really allowed to get married to each other because it's, not exactly the same species. And Pinkie, we get it. Anyway, I think Applejack has a dog back at home, but it's also as cute as these little abages. And also the dog that you have must be really, 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 really cute. You know what I mean? What's your dog, Perry? Go! We're begging you for it! We're as begging you for it as dogs do it! Begging, begging, begging! Come on, show it! Show it! Show it! Show it! Show it!
Hi. You want to tell us your name? Come on. Say your name. Say your name. Come on. Come on. Say your name, Papito. What's your name? Come on, you've said your name before. Come on. Do it. Say your name. No, that's your nickname. Come on. What's your name? What's your name? What is it? Oh, that is not saying your name. That is climbing a fence. Dear child, I asked for your name. Child, come here. No, what are you doing? Yeah, I asked for your name. Tell us your name. Say it. Come on. Yeah, that's it. Come on. Say your name. Say it. Come on. Say it. You're just gonna leave the camera? Oh, you wanna touch the camera? You wanna touch it?
Oh, you touched it! Oh my gosh, you touched the camera!
Oh. Hi. Come on. What's your name? What's your name? Come on. No, don't bite the cage. Come on. Tell us your name. Tell us your name, you stupid dog. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Hi. Tell it up. Say it. Say your name. Say it. What's your name? Say it. Come on, I'm losing them here. I'm losing them like it's surgery. Come on, say it. Say it.
Why won't he say it?
He will say it. Come on. Say it. I don't want you to do that. I want you to say your name. Say your name's instant, mister. Say it. Say your name. Say it. Bro, it doesn't take this long for you to say your name. Say your name. Come on. Hey, come on. Say it. Hey. Okay, just gonna get your toy. I'm just gonna get your toy. But I just want to get your toy. That's all. That's all I want to get. Say your name, you little bud. You have a name, so you say it. Say it. Say it. Okay, now just. Come on. This is the only way for me to get it, sir. Come on, say it. Say it. Say your name. I can't just. Come on. Say your name. Say it. Say it. You're a bad comedian. You. I got it. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I got it. You want it? You want it? You want it? You want it? You want it squeaky? You want it, huh? You're not gonna get it unless you say your name. Come on. Hey, no, that's cheating. That's cheating. Come on. Say your name. Say your name. Say your name. Say it. Say it. Say your name already, would you? Say it. Say it. Hold on. Fix the camera. There you go. Say it. Come on. Come on. Dude. Come on. Just say your name. It's not a difficult task. Just say your name. You're terrible at this. Fine, here, I'll let you out. Okay. Now, I want you to do me a favor and say your name. Okay? Say your name. You want this chew toy? You want it? Go get it. Oh, wait, hold on. Okay. Now, you have that. You have this. I know you want it. Yeah, you want it, right? You want it? Yeah, well, guess what? You're not getting it unless you say your name, so say your name. Come on. Come on. You're close. Come on. Say it. Say your name. Come on. Say it. Say it. That's not saying your name. That's sneezing. Let me get you a tissue. Hold on. I think you want it. Dude. Say your name is what you're supposed to do. Here. Tissue. You're welcome. You're welcome. Aren't you gonna say your name, bro? You're gonna say your name or what? Say it. Okay. Dude. Dude, you see what this guy doing? You see what he's doing? Dude. Do the thing you were doing. Hey. No. Come on, that's cheating. That's cheat. It's cheating, man. I know you guys are all saying, Parent Goat, why don't you say his name? He can't talk. I just want him to bark. 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 Come here, puppy. Come here. Hey, that's cheating. Okay, that's right. Yeah. Buddy, that is his name. Go get it, boy. We used to have a girl dog named Candy.
What happened to her?
Apparently, Dad, when I was little, this happened when I was little, and yeah, basically, he had to say that God made her fly. So, yeah. Because I was little back then, so, you know. You're so feisty! You're so feisty! Go get it. Okay, you get my point. Yeah. Besides that guy, this one and all those other cute little Pomeranians are so cute. Wouldn't you agree?
I agree.